What's going to be exciting about holding this course again in person and this time at Automate in Chicago?
So first of all, Automate is the premier automation event. There's a lot of the right people in the industry. Chicago is a fantastic city. So I'm looking forward to teaching the class a second time and using all the things we learned from the first time to make it even better. And I'm also very much looking forward to teaching a second course for the first time that we built called Designing Industrial, AI automation. And that's going to be a very hands-on course where folks are going to actually get into some tools and take uh, the design patterns and the framework and the methodology that we've been working with, and then we talked about a little bit in the first class, and applying it, hands-on in the second class.